Quick and simple tips for beginners. How to save a PowerPoint presentation in PDF format. Hi! In this video, I'm going to tell you how to easily and quickly save your PowerPoint presentation in PDF format. But first, let's find out why you need this. Firstly, it is necessary to save a presentation in PDF format. For that case, if you want to share it with other people who probably do not have PowerPoint utilities. Secondly, it is necessary if you use non-standard fonts in your presentation and you're going to show it to a wide audience by means of a projector or any other previously untested equipment. Quite often, it happens that you do not have the opportunity to install your fonts on this equipment as well as adjust additional settings. This may lead to the fact that your presentation will be displayed incorrectly, while PDF format always looks exactly as you planned. Thirdly, if you want to share your presentation with people without providing them the opportunity to edit it, PDF format is the best solution. So, we have found out why users need this option. Now let's learn how to do it. The first option, click on the top item of the File menu. In the pop-up dialog, select Export. Click on the Create PDF button. In the opening window, select the PDF file type. Then press the Publish button. Your presentation is saved in PDF format. The second option. This method allows saving not only presentations in PDF format, but also your notes and remarks. In order to do it, do the following sequence of steps. Click on the top item of the File menu. In the pop-up dialog, select Save As. In the fields, find the necessary file format and enter its name in order to save it. Click on the More Options footnote, and in the opening dialog box, click on the Options button. Choose Notes, Pages in the Publish Options sections and confirm your choice by clicking on the OK button. Now your presentation and note files are saved in PDF format. You can share it with colleagues, send by email or messengers, and be sure that users won't have problems with opening your presentation. Also, this format is indispensable for publishing presentations and reports on the site, demonstrations at conferences. In addition, it is possible to open it on any smartphone. You'll find even more training videos and tips on work with PowerPoint, Keynote, and Google Slides on our YouTube channel and on highslide.io website. Subscribe to improve your skills.